Repairability test on January 30th, 2024. Address is 1037 North 78th Place, Scottsdale, Arizona 85257. And this is for claim number 700-686-7805-1 for Philip Short.
All right, so homeowner did a temp repair. There's your original hole. There's your hole. So with this temp repair, we're gonna have to remove this shingle, and the one above it to access this. Let's start with just this one though. Roof is stapled. They are breaking coming out. And with the tree impaling this, it's going to cause a bigger issue because you have this tar paper down here, which you're going to have to remove a full roll of shingles to be able to get that piece of tar paper back where it needs to be. So from here on down, you're going to have to replace all that just to move that and get that done correctly. So without repairing the tar paper that was impaled by a tree, we're just going to repair over it with a thing of shingle. Nails per shingle. This shingle is broken in the process. You can see the tear clearly right here, just from lifting that up. and also delamination from maneuvering these shingles. So with that shingle repair, you can see granule loss through here. That shingle being broken, creases right here. That'll continue. Same with right here. See that line? Shingle is non-repairable.